Hey guys, so today we're in a different location. We're on the floor and behind me is my bed and we're gonna do an unboxing. So we got my Shop Miss A bag today. Some stuff I got from Ulta and my BoxyCharm. So let's start with BoxyCharm. Okay. The theme is Getaway. It looks like this. Okay, so the first thing I have in the box is this jelly highlighter in the shade Cotton Candy. See how it looks? It does feel like jelly. It looks like that. It's really pretty. Okay, and then the second thing in this box is this Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. It's a little. And it smells like chocolate. It's really pretty. The third thing in the box is this Dominique's Cosmetics gloss in, I can't even see, in peach tea. It's really cute. Okay. And then I have these Wonder Beauty Moji Berry antioxidant masks. And then I also got this No Pore Blow and Prime Essence, but looks like it's spilled a little bit in there. Can you see? So yeah. So that's it for my BoxyCharm. Now for what I got at Ulta. Okay, so I saw that they had these on the Ulta website and I've been wanting to try them, so I grabbed 2 of these e.l.f. poreless putty primers. I got a e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, another Essence Brow Gel for a backup. I wanted to try this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer, so I got that in the shade Fair. And then I got myself a backup of the Morphe setting spray and 2 of these 16-hour camo concealers by e.l.f. that I've been wanting to try. Okay, now for the Shop Miss A one. Looks like this. You definitely need scissors. So the first thing that I got was this AOA eye brush set. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay. So I got this brush set. It's so cute. These brushes look good. Can you see? Okay, can't see. And then another thing that I got was this 2-pack of these brushes. The F5 brush looks like this. Wow. Okay. And the little mini one. The second one that I got is this 10-piece brush set that looks these are the all black ones. So they all look like this in here. Okay, and then I also have this in here. And I got two of these shadow armor for your eyeshadow fallout. I got this AOA Studio Wonder Blender, the Mochi Soft one. Like this. Alright, you can see this. And then I got the Wonder Blender Microfiber, the pawpaw one. I got the orange color corrector. A waterproof eyeliner and just the blue one. The AOA Studio Scarlet purple liner. I got a AOA Go Brow in taupe. It's a brow gel. The Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer. And a AOA Wonder Brow Tinted Pomade in taupe. It's so little. Okay, the last things are here. I got this. Ooh, okay. I got the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Press Powder in porcelain, and it just looks like this. And I got the AOA Perfect Setting Powder, the loose one in Soft Light. Okay, well that's it for this unboxing. I kind of made it fast because I'm going to be doing a first impressions on all these products in my next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that and be trying out the brushes, the primers, the highlighters, and everything that I got in this. Oh my god, the aftermath of filming this video.